Choosing the wrong state for your business can cost you thousands of dollars and even derail your entrepreneurial dreams. Want to avoid that costly mistake? Are you ready to unlock Delaware's secrets and protect your assets from day one? Delaware has long been the go-to state for successful businesses, from startups to Fortune 500 giants. But how do you actually form an LLC in this powerhouse state? This is your complete, no-nonsense 2025 guide. We will break down every single step, from naming your entity to securing your employer identification number, giving you a clear, actionable plan to launch your business with confidence. So why Delaware? It is not just a popular choice, it is a strategic one. Delaware offers unparalleled legal protections, significant tax advantages, and an incredibly business-friendly environment. Its court system, the Court of Chancery, is renowned for its expertise in corporate law, providing predictable and favorable outcomes for businesses. This robust legal framework means your business operations are supported by clear, well-established precedents. Furthermore, Delaware's tax structure can be highly advantageous, especially for businesses operating outside the state. We will even touch on how non-U.S. residents can leverage these benefits later in this guide. Step 1. Name selection. The very first step in forming your Delaware LLC is selecting a unique and available name. This is more crucial than you might think, as your business name is your brand's identity. You need to ensure it is not already in use by another entity in Delaware. To check availability, you will use the Delaware Division of Corporations website. Their online search tool allows you to quickly verify if your desired name is free. Remember, your LLC name must include Limited Liability Company, LLC, or LLC at the end. If your first choice is taken, do not worry. There are creative workarounds and strategies to find a suitable alternative, which we can explore in more detail in future content. Step 2. Appointing a registered agent. Next, you must appoint a registered agent in Delaware. This is a non-negotiable requirement for every LLC formed in the state. Your registered agent is the official point of contact for receiving legal documents, service of process, and official state correspondence on behalf of your LLC. The registered agent must have a physical street address in Delaware, not just a P.O. box. While it is technically possible to be your own registered agent if you reside in Delaware and have a physical address there, this option comes with significant pros and cons. For most business owners, especially those not based in Delaware, using a professional registered agent service is highly recommended. This ensures you never miss critical legal notices and maintain compliance. Step 3. Filing the certificate of formation. With your name chosen and registered agent secured, the next critical step is filing the certificate of formation. This is the official document that legally creates your LLC in Delaware. It is a relatively straightforward form, but accuracy is paramount. You will file this document with the Delaware Division of Corporations. The certificate of formation typically requires your LLC's name, the name and address of your registered agent, and the name of the organizer. The organizer is simply the person or entity filing the document, which can be you or a service provider. We will walk you through the online filing process, highlighting key fields to ensure a smooth submission. Avoiding common errors during this stage is vital, and we will discuss how to handle any potential mistakes if they occur. Step 4. Creating an operating agreement. While the state of Delaware does not legally require an LLC to have an operating agreement, creating one is absolutely essential. Think of the operating agreement as your LLC's internal rulebook. It outlines the ownership structure, member responsibilities, voting rights, profit and loss distribution, and procedures for handling various business scenarios. This document is crucial for protecting your personal liability and preventing future disputes among members. It provides clarity and a framework for how your business will operate, even if you are a single-member LLC. Without it, your LLC would be governed by default state laws, which may not align with your specific business needs or intentions. We will cover what key provisions to include in your operating agreement and where to find reliable templates. Step 5. Getting your EIN, Employer Identification Number. Once your LLC is officially formed, your next step is to obtain an Employer Identification Number, or EIN. This is essentially your business's tax identification number, much like a social security number for an individual. You will need an EIN for various purposes, including opening a business bank account, filing federal and state taxes, and hiring employees. The good news is that applying for an EIN is free and can be done quickly online through the IRS website. The application process is generally straightforward, requiring basic information about your LLC and its principal owner. For non-U.S. residents, there are specific steps and considerations when applying for an EIN, which we will detail to ensure a smooth process for everyone. Forming your LLC is a significant achievement, but your journey does not end there. Maintaining your Delaware LLC requires ongoing compliance with state regulations. The primary requirements are filing an annual report and paying franchise taxes. The annual report, known as the Annual Franchise Tax Report, is due by June 1st each year for LLCs. Missing these deadlines can result in penalties and, eventually, the forfeiture of your LLC's good standing. Staying on track with these requirements is crucial for keeping your liability protection intact. We will provide a checklist to help you manage these annual obligations effectively. Understanding the tax implications of a Delaware LLC is also vital, and that leads us directly into our next discussion. You are now well on your way to successfully forming your Delaware LLC. This guide has provided you with the essential steps to establish your business in one of the most advantageous states for entrepreneurs. If you found this information valuable, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more actionable business tips and guides. For a free, comprehensive checklist that summarizes all these steps, click the link in the description below. Stay tuned for our next video, where we will dive deep into the specific tax implications and advantages of operating a Delaware LLC.